Hello, today we're going to learn words that begin with letter B. We will look at objects that begin with letter B. We will sound out letters, we will blend the sounds together and read words. Then we will read a short story and write something about it. You ready? Great job. Thumbs up. Okay, let's start with this. It flies at night. What do you think is this? This is a bat. Bat begins with letter B. How do you spell bat? Let's write it down. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. Your turn. Very good. All right. What is this? This is a bell. Bell begins with letter B. How do you spell bell? B-E-L-L. Bell. Your turn. Good job. Good job. All right. What is this? Banana. Banana begins with letter B. How do you spell banana? Let's write it down. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana. Your turn. Very good. All right. Now, what is this? Have you seen one of these? We put milk in it. It's a baby bottle. How do you spell bottle? Bottle begins with letter B. Let's write it down. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. Bottle. Your turn. Good job. Good job. All right. What is this? This is a brush. How do you spell brush? Starts with letter B. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Brush. Your turn. Very good. This is a bear. A bear. What is it? Bear. How do you spell bear? Bear begins with letter B. B. E. A. R. E and A makes one sound. E. Bear. Good job. Good job. All right. Now listen carefully as I read them aloud. Okay? Bat, bell. Banana, bottle. Brush, bear. Now you turn to read and I'll listen. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Very good. All right. Now, let's take a look at a book. Today we're going to read a book. The title of the book is My Body. She's talking about her body. This is the cover book. That's the title of our story. All right. So let's turn to the next page. And this is called the title page. My body. What do you think are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about this girl's body. All right, let's turn to the next page. This girl said, I have 2 ears. Look at her fingers pointing at 2 ears. Do you have 2 ears? I have 2 ears. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 ears. Very good. All right. This girl said, I have 2 hands. 1, 2. Do you have 2 hands? I have 2 hands. 1, 2. Very good. All right. Let's turn to the next page. This girl said, I have 2 legs. 1, 2. Do you have 2 legs? Yes, you do. 1, 2 legs. Very good. This girl said, I have 2 feet. 1, 2. Look at her hands pointing at her feet. Do you have 2 feet? That's correct. I have 2 feet. 1, 2 feet. Very good. This girl said, I have 2 eyes. Look at her hands pointing at her eyes. 1, 2. Do you have 2 eyes? I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 eyes. Very good. Let's take a look at this. I have 2 arms. That's 1, 2. This girl have 2 arms. I have 2 arms. 1, 2. 2 arms. Very good. Do you have 2 arms? I have 2 arms. Very good. All right. Now the girl said, I have 1 body. I have 1 body. She has 1 body. Just 1. Okay? Did you like the story? Let's read it again. Okay? It's your turn to read. Now let's look at the title. Your turn to read. Very good. Next page. Your turn to read. That's correct. I have 2 ears. Very good. All right. Your turn to read. That's correct. I have 2 hands. Next page. Your turn to read. That's correct. I have 2 legs. Your turn to read. That's correct. I have 2 feet. Very good. Your turn to read. I have 2 eyes. Very good job. All right. Your turn to read. That's correct. I have 2 arms. Very good. All right. Let's take a look at this. Your turn to read. That's wonderful. The girl said, I have 1 body. That's wonderful. High five. Good job. Now, what do you remember about the story? Can you write something about that story? Let's see if we can write something, okay? Let's see. I give you 1 minute to write. Very good. Now let's write something, okay, about that story. I have one nose. Let's see. I have one nose. And we need a period. Very good. Sentence begins with capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. And this is a period because I'm just saying I have one nose. Now, do you have one nose? Very good. All right. You did a great job listening. High five. Okay. Very good. I'll see you in my next lesson. It's letter C's. Stand by for letter C's. Very good. Bye.